Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is an exciting video. I feel like I haven't done a workout in a hot minute. So we're going to be doing a glute focused workout, but this time we're going to be doing exercises that target mostly the lower glutes to help really lift and sculpt the gluteus. Okay, so I already did my hair. Something fun, something different, I don't know. And then I'm wearing Alpha Elite Ombre. I actually cut the bra so that it would be open back. And I'm here for it. I like it. But before we go to the gym, I need some energy. So this video is sponsored by Celsius. So thank you so much, Celsius, for sponsoring this video. So I'm gonna drink the strawberry lemonade because you know, it's one of my favorite flavors. That and Arctic Vibe are like my top two. I love them, so good. And it's got 0 gram sugar. It's like 10 calories. You can get these at 7-Eleven, Target, the grocery store, literally anywhere you can get one of these. So if you haven't tried them out, definitely check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this, go to the gym, and we're gonna have a good workout. Probably be posting another video on how to target the upper glutes. That'll probably be up honestly before this one, who knows. But basically targeting the lower glutes is most effective in a lengthened position. So like RDLs, deadlift variations, lunge variations, so like Bulgarian split squats, reverse lunges, unilateral leg press. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be including hip thrust. That's more of the like upper shelf booty, but I do hip thrust every leg day, so I'm going to continue that. I just think for overall glute development, it is a staple, it is a must. So yeah, but I have my workout written down. These are the movements that target the lower glutes the most.
Ryan, let's Ryan Little.